Hello, in this video, I'd like to show you the latest update for my Charles Schwab brokerage account. Opened this account around June 8th, 2022, and it's a little over a month and a half. Well, I guess almost 2 months now. So what you see on your screen is the performance of this brokerage account from June 8th, 2022 to July 22nd, 2022. And I'm pretty pleased. I'm brand new to investing. If you watch this channel, if you subscribe to this channel, you know that I'm just learning how to get good at investing. So I'm pretty pleased. So far, I think I've had pretty good success. Even if we go by this rate of return right here, I'm down 1.14%. I'm going to gloat a little bit. I beat the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ, so I guess technically outperforming the S&P 500 and NASDAQ with the individual stocks that I've selected and the shares that I bought. But this is a long game, and I know it's very, very hard to do for somebody to individually pick stocks and beat the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. But I don't know if it's beginner's luck or what, but I'm pretty pleased with that, even though the rate of return still in the negative. Investment change over here is plus $65.75. I'm still trying to figure out the differences between why I'm positive over here and negative over here. I don't know if that's because I've contributed. That factors in the money that I've contributed from my checking account or what, I'm not sure. But that's my ending value, and I'm pretty pleased with that because I got more money in the account than I did when I started with, and I got a pretty good, to me, return on investment. So that's why I'm a little confused about this rate of return. So if you're just started watching this channel, every month I'm going to try to invest $500 to $1,000 every month in order to see if I can build this Charles Schwab brokerage account of stocks up to over $100,000. I'm not sure the timeline. I'm thinking maybe 5 years at that rate of investing that amount of money. Not set on that. Some months it might be more, investing more money than $500 or $1,000. Some months, if an emergency comes up and I have to place a water heater or buy a new roof for my house or something, then it might be less than that. So I'm going to shoot for like 5 years, 5 to 10 years maybe, is how long it's going to take me to build up this investment account. I think I could do it in 5 years, more than 10 years. I feel confident that I'll make money with this account, especially the more I learn, the more I understand the stock market and how to invest in stocks, when to buy, when to sell shares, all those sorts of things I think will contribute to me having a positive return with this account and meeting my $100,000 goal of having a balance of $100,000 in this brokerage account. So that's why I'm excited about this channel. That's why I'm excited about documenting this journey, because I'm learning along the way. Hopefully, if you're brand new to investing, you might get some value for some of these videos and then help you out on your journey as well. So again, we have from June 8th, 2022 to July 23rd, 2022. And again, the markets weren't open on July 23rd. That's a Saturday. So July 22nd is when the last day of the market was open. My account gained $65.75, which I'm pretty excited about. Anytime I see green, that is a good thing. But over here, I'm down 1.14%. So I'm not sure what the difference is, but I'm looking into it. And I am pretty pleased with being able to say that I perform, or this account performed better than the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ in the same time frame. Whether or not that holds true over time, I highly doubt it. It's very hard to beat the S&P 500 or NASDAQ, so I'm told. So what I hear, you're better off, like in an index fund. And it kind of gives you a little bit of shares in each of these, or the S&P 500 for sure. And so, yeah, it's difficult, they say. So far, though, so good. But if this is accurate and my rate of return is a minus 1%, I want to be in the positive, of course. So hopefully one day that will show that I've been the positive. Now, if I change this to this past week or two, it is going to be in the positive. So I feel pretty good about that. So here lately, let me get rid of the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. So it just shows my account. So we started off good, then we took a big dip, climbed our way back a little bit, went down a little bit. But here lately, it's been doing pretty good. Can we continue this success? We'll see. Stay tuned. If you like these kind of videos, if you want to get good at investing, want to learn how to invest, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get all the latest videos from this YouTube channel.